voice of one crying in the wilderness, prepare the way of the Lord Jesus. Make straight in the desert a highway for our God, Jesus. Every valley shall be exalted, and every mountain and hill shall be made low. The crooked places shall be made straight, and the rough places smooth. The glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken. The voice said, cry out. The glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken, and the voice said, cry out. All flesh is grass, and all its loveliness is like the flowers of the field.